I'm out by Müggelsee. I have been here for half an hour, but I think I've only walked like 20 meters because... yeah. Because the moment you arrive, there are just birds everywhere. Immediately a black woodpecker came in. Oh, there it was actually. And other woodpeckers, greater spotted and middle spotted. Oh yeah, up there. Yeah, black woodpecker. I just spent 5 minutes with a marsh tit. Okay, a green woodpecker just came over. Now I just need the lesser spotted woodpecker, then it's full house today. That's cranes. Oh, it would be cool to see one. I had just decided to go home and then I heard this sound. Eurasian Treecreeper. That's a new one as well. What a fantastic day. See you next time.